Good morning. I am an hour and 20 minutes into a 70-mile ride today, and it's going to rain, but I'm okay with it because I know it's going to rain. It's not going to upset me too much when it happens. What's upsetting is when you think it's going to be sunny and then it rains. It's been pretty stormy the past couple of days, so I'm expecting some of the lanes to have branches down and potentially blockages, but nothing so far, which is nice. Today I'm heading down to Furnace Lane, which I did maybe a couple of months ago, but I'm going to ride it in the other direction this time because it's amazing how different a lane can feel just by changing direction. A little bit of Pilgrim's Way and down Nats Valley and then home pretty much. 70 miles. I'm not sure the exact elevation. I think it's around maybe 4,500 feet, maybe. I'll put it up on the screen now. There you go. Here we are on Furnace Lane. Pretty nice. There are a lot of twigs on the road, a few potholes and things, but when there isn't a chainsaw going, you can hear the birds singing. It's so nice. After the rain's been and all the flowers and plants and things smell really good. Is that a weird thing to say? Whatever, I've said it now. It's a bit muddy. Bit twiggy. But everything is starting to look very green and lush. And I'm matching. So I've just stopped because for the last like 10-15 miles I've been getting like this whiff of something. I thought it smelled like Thai food or something, but I've worked out what it is. It's wild garlic. Just loads of little patches of wild garlic about. Might take some back with me. Nice. That's 3¼ hours into the ride now. Kind of on the home straight. Just done Old Terry's Lodge climb. I need to loop around to Nats Valley, head down there, and then just steady home from there. But it's always worth stopping at the top of this road for the amazing view. My bike has needed cleaning for about a week, but I've been putting it off because of the weather this week, and I knew the bike would get filthy on this ride today, and I wasn't wrong. What a mess. Also, it's not rained yet. Been grey clouds, rain clouds all day, but holding off so far. Keep our fingers crossed it stays off another hour or so. Then I should be home. Nats Valley. Nats Valley never gets old. Bit of a crosswind, but it is such a nice stretch of road. I love it. Can a bit of road be described as a babe? Yeah, why not? Nats Lane is an absolute babe. That's me nearly home now. There was literally about 20 seconds, a little spit of rain, but that's been it. Should be home in half an hour. So I'm going to wrap up here. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. And I'll see you in the next video, which I'm excited for. That should be a good one. Something new. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.